How do you manifest love, joy, peace, abundance in your life? Say you want to marry somebody and you want to get married. How would you visualize what person you want to bring in your life? So you have to imagine. One picture is more than 1,000 words. It's stronger. So make sure that you think of a beautiful picture in your mind's eye. Think of the type of girl you want to marry, what she's going to wear for the wedding, how she speaks, how she talks. Imagine the hall you're going to get married in. Visualize all this. Visualize what is going to happen, where you go for the honeymoon, where are you going to live after you're married. A complete picture in the mind's eye has to be made, and you have to throw that thought to the universe. What you vibrate on is what is going to bring into your life. You will bring that into your life. So vibrate on joy, vibrate on the marriage, vibrate on the place where you're going to live, vibrate on what you desperately want and not what you don't want. That is the beauty. To vibrate on what you want to bring into your life. So think of the hall you're going to get married. Think of the trousseau dress you're going to wear. Think of everything. Which photographer is going to do this? Such a strong picture has to be made. And then all good will come. Make sure that you are clear in clarity. Don't think, oh, do you want a dark girl or a fair girl? Do I want a tall or a short girl? If you are looking out, you are 6 feet and you're looking out for a tall girl, only think in your mind that you have seen a beautiful tall girl. Don't bring any mixed thoughts into your mind. The universe only understands your one command. So stick to that command, whatever you're commanding the universe, what you want, the emotions that you want, the children that you want. Throw that thought to the universe and then just leave it to manifest. And with your heart and your soul, believe in it. Believe that all good is coming your way. That is the secret of training your mind and not letting your mind be the master, but you be the master of your mind. And train it correctly, positively, by little habits. And how you can do this is every morning get up, visualize this. Every night before you go to sleep, again visualize what you want. And if you do that, all good will come your way. And you will be going towards relationship mastery. And exactly the emotion, the type of person, the feelings that you want, that human being will manifest in your life. And it has happened again and again to so many people I know. Those that have been married and divorced still have found their love of their lives. Make sure there is no age and bar for love. Just be strong in your thoughts of what you want. Be in clarity. And what would you say, you think and you do, make that in harmony. Then life will be a beautiful song for you and you will enjoy every moment. God bless you all. For more details, please contact me, Zenobia, at 98203-08163 to join my WhatsApp group on positivity. Thank you.